In this video, you'll learn how to download purchase invoices from eBay. By following these steps, you will successfully retrieve your invoices for any purchases made on the platform. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the purchase history section. This area contains all the orders you've made. Locate the specific order for which you need the invoice. After finding the order, click on the order details link associated with it. This action will lead you to a page where you can confirm that the item and transaction date match your records. It is essential to ensure that your device is capable of downloading files, as this will affect the next steps. After you open the order page, look for the option to download the invoice. This is typically labeled as print or download invoice. Click on this button to initiate the generation of your invoice document. Depending on your internet connection and the size of the invoice, you may need to wait for a brief moment while the file preview loads. Once the preview appears, you can proceed to the next step. When the file preview is ready, you will have the option to save or download the invoice. Click on the appropriate option to begin the download process. It's important to verify the file format after saving to ensure that it's compatible with your document viewer. The generated document will contain all relevant purchase details, including the item description, price, and transaction date. Once the invoice is downloaded, open the file to confirm that all the information is accurate. This step is crucial for maintaining proper records. After verifying the details, save the file in an organized folder on your device. Consider renaming the file to something easily identifiable, such as the item name or order number. Keeping backup copies is advisable, especially if you may need to refer to the invoice later for records or reimbursements. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.